I am proud to announce the arrival of the chief guest of today's celebration, Honorable MLA of Malshungut constituency, Shri Jingrakhe, being escorted by the Subdivisional Officer, Shri H.K. Thaba of Malshungut Civil Subdivision, G.H. Pasa, Assistant Commissioner of Malshungut Civil Subdivision, SDPO, Shri I.S. Narak, and officers from different departments, and the BBO of CNRD Malshungut Block. We heartily welcome you, sir, on this solemn occasion. Kindly remain standing for the hoisting of the national flag and the singing of the national anthem.